Okay, so here is my ghillie suit, covered with strips of pajamas, like right there. And there's moss right over here and all over the place. There's the hood, arms, and the back, and here's the little things down there. And it's just made out of a normal little old navy hoodie thingy that's gray that I didn't want anymore. I just super glued moss onto it and sewed some pajamas to it, and yeah, it's my ghillie. It's awesome. Took about 4 hours to make.